Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the timer knob in a Whirlpool washer. It's going to be an extremely easy repair. Should only take a minute or two to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver and a pair of needle nose pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new timer knob. By using the timer knob, we can change the washing cycles or start or stop the washer. If the timer knob is rotating freely and not grabbing the timer shaft, so you can't change the cycles, the timer knob should be checked and replaced if needed. We need to open the console. It's held in place by the two screws, one in each corner at the back of the console. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take those screws out just a bit more than halfway until the console gets loose. Pull the console forward to disengage it from the cabinet at the bottom and lift it up. To remove the timer knob, push it in first and using the needle nose pliers, pull the back stem at the back of the timer out. Only after that you can pull the timer knob off. This is the old timer knob next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Place the knob on the shaft to match the cutout inside the knob with the shape of the shaft, and push it on. Then turn the console up and push the black pin in. That will lock the knob. To close the console, we need to match the clips at the bottom with the cutouts in the cabinet and slide the console back to lock it in. Using the Phillips screwdriver, secure the console with the two screws at the back of the console. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.